how to create a family tree on Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to create a family tree on Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your preferred browser and then sign in to your account. Now, creating a family tree in Notion is a powerful way to document your ancestry, organize relationships, and even track historical data, all within a flexible, customizable workspace. So to do that, you need to go ahead and create a new page or head over into the page where you want to create a family tree to, and then in here, go ahead and enter /database, and that will allow you to create a database into this specific page. Now, on your database, make sure to include columns such as name, birth or death dates, generation number, parents, children, spouse, location, and notes or events. So these columns are very necessary since this will allow you to add all of the necessary information for the individuals included on your family tree. You can also add relationships using linked databases, so use relational properties to connect individuals, create reverse relationships for easy navigation, and organize by generation. So assign a generation number for each person to help visualize lineage and sort your database. So once you have added all of the necessary information on creating a family tree, that is how you can basically create a family tree. Use filters to view specific branches or generation, add historical context like migration, occupations, or events, and share your tree with family using Notion's web publishing feature. And that is how you can basically do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.